Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I want to explain how to take care of cyclamen. There are various types of cyclamen, including hardy ones that will grow well in your garden. However, if you bought or were gifted a flowering cyclamen in winter, then chances are that it's a florist cyclamen, one that isn't hardy. Florist cyclamen have been bred for their colourful winter flowers, often in seasonal colours, and their intricately patterned leaves. Florist cyclamen make superb house or greenhouse plants that flower all winter long. And if you take care of a few important basics, then you can ensure that your cyclamen comes back year after year, providing you with masses of flowers every winter. Grow cyclamen in a cool room in your house, a sheltered porch, or a frost-free greenhouse. Cyclamen need daytime temperatures of 55 Fahrenheit or 13 centigrade and nighttime temperatures of 43 to 59 Fahrenheit, that's 6 to 15 centigrade. If you grow cyclamen in house temperatures with a daytime of 68 Fahrenheit and a night temperature of 50 Fahrenheit, then they'll die a slow death. Alternatively, high temperatures may force your cyclamen into premature dormancy, with the result that it might wake up in the middle of summer and flower in the wrong season. Many people come to the mistaken conclusion that cyclamen are annuals because they kill them slowly by applying too high temperatures. If you've bought your cyclamen as a seasonal table decoration, then by all means place it on your table when you entertain, but afterwards do remember to return it to its cooler position. Grow cyclamen in filtered, dappled light, not direct sun. Cyclamen need to dry out completely between waterings, so wait until the top inch of your plant's mix is dry before watering. Once every 2 months, apply a half-strength soluble fertiliser. Another important consideration when growing cyclamen is that they are summer dormant. Around about April, your cyclamen will begin to tie back, losing its leaves. This is quite normal and it's the trigger to reduce watering. Once all leaves have disappeared, you should cease watering your cyclamen completely. If you water your cyclamen when it's dormant, it will rot. Keep it in a cool, dark place for summer until it starts back into growth in autumn. With cyclamen, the most common mistakes people make are keeping the plant at temperatures that are unsuitably high and over-watering. Remember, keep your cyclamen cool, water only when it dries out, and don't water at all when it's dormant. Happy growing!